gotta stay out of my head. Stuck between my rights and my wrongs. Second guessing what I'm doing. Like, am I really there for my boy? Not enough, but if I'm paying child support, do the making for time that I've lost. Whole time paying this court system. Can't even call my little man a game system, cause my checks be short. And if your bag too short, well, you had to miss a month. Slipping up, I gotta pick it up. Grind limitless, but it got your folks like, yeah, I hope you don't get caught. Like I missed them payments on purpose. Cause you see I failed and I'm hurting. Ain't had no job, so no working. Or the job I work is not working. So
Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, My Challenge to Amun Osiris. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, guys, so this is going to be a quick video, okay? Only thing I'm here to do is put out my challenge to see if he accept it or deny it, okay? Let's see who's real. Let's see who's not. Let's separate the men from the boys and let's find out who about that life and who's not really about that life. Helping people with their child support situations, okay? You all know that I put up majority of evidence showing of people with success when they came to me and they received success by the method I use, okay? But I can't say that for other channels, okay? Especially Mr. 30 years of child support known as Amun Osiris. He doesn't have any type of evidence or proof of anything that he say worked, not even his own, okay? He never won a child support case, like I keep telling y'all. He never won one. He never won his own. He never won a child support case at all, not in federal, not in state, not in any courts, not even administratively. He never won a child support case at all. And it's just that simple, okay? So, to further prove that, I offer this man this challenge, okay? The challenge is simple. Only thing you need to do is what? Select one person, okay? When he select that one person, he cannot charge that person for helping that person, okay? So he must select one person without charging them for services or for the help that he give that person, okay? That person also is not on child support at the current time when they come to him for services, okay? They must receive the summons and the summons to appear, and they must go to court to stand and do exactly what Amun Osiris tell them to do on his videos, okay? But not only that, also he must show the first name of the person that he's helping and the court documents, okay? He don't have to show the case number or nothing like that, because a lot of people don't want their personal information on here, like my Ark who I'm helping, okay? So not only am I giving him the challenge, but I'm be the first person to initiate it to see if he accept it, okay? So, as you all can see, I put this document up yesterday. This is my Ark. He came to me for assistance, okay? So I asked him, well, I want to do this challenge. You fit the criteria that I want to do it with. Can I use you? And I will do it for free. He said, sure. Just don't show all my personal information. He said, you can show my first name, and that's it. I said, all right, cool. I will do that. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. So even same thing with Amun Osiris, the person he helped, they show their first name and the court that they're in. And keep us posted through the journey as you help this person fight until they get free. Okay? That's all we need to see. We need to see if you really about what you said you're about. If you can really help. And you're helping this person for free. You're not charging this person a dime. Okay? Same thing with my Ark Marcus on the screen. His paperwork, I haven't charged him a dime. I'm doing this for him for free. Okay? Just to show and see if he accepts this same challenge and he's willing to put himself on the line like I'm willing to put myself on the line, you know, and my reputation and everything else to show and prove, okay? But not only that, my reputation cannot be tarnished anyways because I have too much proof coming in. I have another testimony coming up in the very near future. It might come up tonight. I might do it tomorrow. I might do it the day after. It all depends when I post it. But that's going to be a powerful testimony as well, further proving everything that I'm saying. But this is just a challenge right here to Osiris to see if he about what he say he about. Okay? It basically really don't have nothing to do with me, but I'm taking the initiation to do it with him to show him that not only am I challenging you to do it, but I'm challenging myself to do it as well. And if anybody else teaching child support, if they want to get involved, they can do it as well, such as Wasil and Rick W. You know, those are two I can name off the top. And the 100 Queens, I meant the 100 Kings. If they want to get involved, they can get involved too. You see? Anybody that's involved that's helping child support, if hey, send them this video and see if they want to get involved. Okay? But I'm specifically challenging Osiris. I'm calling him out to see if he accepts the challenge. All right. So now, as you all can see, this document I posted up yesterday. It's from the what? It's a domestic citation for what? It's a summons to appear to court because he's been sued. My ARC name is Marcus. I put this up yesterday. It says the state of Louisiana to Marcus. Okay. I haven't charged the ARC a dime. He just hit me back and said I can use it. I said, all right, cool, let's do it. So as you can see, he says, it states, you have been sued. Attached to this citation is a certified copy of the petition. The petition tells you what you are being sued for. Then it says you must either do what the petition asks, or within 15 days after you have received these documents, you must file an answer or other legal pleadings in the office of the clerk of this court. Okay? With the address. Then it states, if you do not do what the petitioner asks, or if you do not file an answer or legal pleading within 15 days, a judgment may be entered against you without further notice. As you all can see, this was done what? January the 16th, 2020. Okay? So he had 15 days to respond back to the first part, which we missed already because I haven't drafted anything up. He haven't filed anything yet. Okay? But I will show you all when he filed it and get a file stamp. I will put a copy so you guys can see the beginning of the file stamp. Okay? So you can see that he filed it and what day he filed it. Okay? Now let's go to the next document. This is what? As you can see, again, from the state of Louisiana, Department of Child and Family Services, Division of Operations, Child Support Enforcement Section, right? As you can see, in the interest of his child's mom and minor child. Then it says versus who? Mr. Marcus, the same person. As you can see, this is a request for admission of facts propounded by plaintiff to defendant. So as you see, this is more stuff that they sent him that he had to respond back to that we haven't responded back to yet. Okay? A lot of paperwork. Also, this is what? A petition to determine and or declare paternity and to establish child support. So all this is what we have to respond back to, okay? I think it's like 7 pages. Alright? So I'm just showing you all of what's going on. Alright? So this one of them say you have 30 days to respond back. Let's see which one. Say you had 30 days to respond back. Okay, that's not it. Hold on, I'm trying to show you guys what one say you have 30 days to respond back. Right here. For the request for admission. Top line. It says you are respectfully requested to admit or deny the following within 30 days after your receipt of this request. Right? Then it says your failure to respond will result in this request being deemed admitted for the purposes of this action. Okay? So again, this paperwork that he sent me. So you have 30 days to respond back to these simple questions, which is going to be a cakewalk. Okay? So now, this all Osiris got to do, what I just showed you all. Show the complete petition, cross out the name, see how many days you have to respond. After he filed a response for that person, or that person filed a response in the court, show the person's name with the file stamp on his documents, showing proof that he actually filed it, filed his few responses into the court. And let's see how it go. Okay, it's just that simple, man. Let's see who about what they say they're about. And you got to stick with this person until what? Until it's over and done, until they win. So, let's see, will he accept or deny my challenge, man? Let's see if he accept or deny. So, that's all I'm going to do for today. If you all need my help, hit me up at my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. Like I said, man, it's time to separate the boys from the men. And we're going to keep this thing moving, all right? So, with that being said, I say shalom.